Have you ever updated a survey schema, but one of your surveyors forgot to send in their entries before you updated the survey? And now your surveyor can't even send their old records? Well, have no fear. In today's GeoSnap, we'll go over how to recover those records from your phone and bring them back to ArcGIS Online. In today's tutorial, we will be focusing on Android phones, but if you have an iOS phone, please refer to the blog in the description. Or, if you already have your SQL database from your phone, you can skip to the section where we go over how to switch them into CSV files. Before moving forward with recovering your data, go into the Survey123 Field app and fix your database. This can be done by going to your profile in the top right corner and selecting Settings, then Storage, and then Fix Database. Then select Yes. This action will ensure that your database is updated and in good condition when exporting. Once you have fixed your database, you can plug your device into your computer and open its files. If you don't see your files, just make sure your phone is turned to File Transfer when it's plugged in. Then, in your File Explorer, go to This PC, Your Device, Internal Storage, Android, Data, com.esri.survey123, Files, ArcGIS, My Surveys, and then Databases. Here you will find your SQL database with all of your survey data for all of your surveys. Additionally, if any of your surveys have attachments, you can also recover these by going back to the ArcGIS folder and selecting My Survey Attachments. This folder holds all of your images you submitted for your surveys. Now that you have recovered your SQL database, you can convert this into CSV files by using this Python code on GitHub. I have linked this in the description. Download the file and open it in a coding software like Visual Studio Code. At the beginning of your code, for the in database, type in your SQL database file path. And then for the out, type in the file path where you want your data to go. Then, scroll down to about midway through the code to line 103. You will notice the code is currently set to take only surveys that have encountered a submission error or are in an outbox. In my case, I want all the records, so I'm going to change this statement to take statuses 0 through 4 by changing the code to something like this. Now you can run the code. Once the code finishes, check the directory you sent it to, and there should be several CSV files in it. These files contain all the records from your phone and are separated based on status code and survey. Now that your data is recovered into CSV files, you can upload this to ArcGIS Online as a feature layer. This can be done by selecting New Item and then uploading the CSV file and using X geometry and Y geometry to properly map the points, then publish the feature layer. Now my recovered data is back on ArcGIS Online and I can use it however I like to. But what if this workflow didn't work for you? That's okay. Please refer to the blog in the description for other potential ways to recover your data.